Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you, Father, for another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome to another Crafty Vision segment. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. Here are the items that we're going to be using to make and create this earring, y'all. I call this cutie. Now, you're going to need your wire cutters, round nose pliers, flat nose pliers. You're going to need a glue gun. You're also going to need some super glue, which you can purchase from the Dollar Tree, which is this, okay? You're going to need, what else? You're going to need a piece of 20 gauge wire, so you're going to need 2 pieces of 20 gauge wire. You don't have to use any 12 gauge aluminum wire, but I have this because I am going to be doing something with it. But you do definitely need the 20 gauge, 2 pieces, about 10 inches long. And it doesn't necessarily have to be that long, but y'all know me, right? You're going to need some fish hooks, 8mm beads, 2 of those. These are some spacer acrylic beads. And you are definitely going to need these wooden round shapes. Now, let me show you what I mean. Now, on here, I purchased these from Amazon.com, and you're going to need 3 of them. All right, and I'm going to explain to you why you need 3 of them. You're going to need a piece of cardboard that is about 5 inches long. Okay, I have already taken the liberty to wrap this. All right, wrap my yarn. You will need some yarn, so you got to figure out what color. I'm going with this beautiful green right here. You're going to need 2 pieces of fabric. Now, this isn't the fabric that I'm going to be using. This is the fabric that I'm going to be using, but I need to show you all pretty much how I wrap my shape, okay? So you're going to need 2 pieces of fabric, 23 inches in length, both pieces. And what else will you need? I think, did I cover everything? And you're going to need a piece of wax paper, okay? And the wax paper is going to come in handy once I finish wrapping. So you can get these from Amazon. Those right there, they're 8mm. They are from Hobby Lobby, $6.99. Go get you some. This is a great deal. Look at these colors. Fabulous, right? And I believe that's it, y'all. So let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing that we're going to do, or that you need to do, is you need to get some, and I forgot to mention this. I'm always thinking I got everything. Tacky glue. You're going to take your tacky glue, and you're going to glue all 3 of these together. Okay, so you're going to go in between, put some there, put that like that, some there, put that like that, and squeeze it together. And then you take your hand and you just go in really nice on the inside and on the outside. And by the time you glue it, it's going to look like this. See, that's glued. This is what it's going to look like. All right, you put 3 together, and this is the size that you want. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is you're going to take your glue gun, and you're going to come here and you're going to put a generous amount of glue, not too much. And you're going to come here on your shape. You're going to go in the middle or in the inside of it, and you're going to place that there just like that. And then what you want to do next is you're going to just start wrapping this just like this. So to keep the video from being extremely long, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this, and then I'm going to come back and show you all how to end this. So I'll be right back, y'all. So once you wrap it all the way around, you're going to take your glue gun. You're going to go in just like this. And then you're going to take it and come up here and pull it as tight as you can get it. Just like that. And once you do that, you're going to come here. You're going to take your scissors and you're just going to cut this off just like that. Now, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I mentioned super glue. So this you can get from the Dollar Tree, and your wax paper. Now right here, where you cut it, you're going to just dab it, cut a couple, put a little bit right there, just like that. Take your wax paper and hold that down just like that in place. You do not want to touch this, okay, this type of glue, because it's hazardous and you don't want it to get on your hands, okay? So if you take that wax paper and you go in and you hold it down, it's going to seal this just like that. And that's sealed, okay? So that's sealed. So this isn't the piece right here that I'm going to be doing. I'm actually going to be doing this piece right here. So everything you saw me do with this, I already did with this piece, okay? So the next thing that I'm going to do, and let me back it up a little bit, y'all, because I forgot to mention something, because I know somebody is going to ask me this. This piece is, any piece that you use, it has to be 23 inches long. I think I did mention that. And it also has to be an inch thick, okay? 23 inches long, an inch thick, and then you go in and you iron it just like that. Okay, you iron it in just like that, because this is going to be the part that's going to be on the outside, and this is going to be on the inside. And I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that, y'all. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to put your yarn on a piece of cardboard 5 inches long. Now, I probably didn't mention that, but I'm mentioning it now. 5 inches long. So find your cardboard that is 5 inches long, and you want to wrap it 60 times. Okay. Now I'm going to take, now you see I've already done that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my wire, come here, bring this up like this. I got 2 pieces here because I'm trying to make sure that, all right. And then I'm going to come up here just like this. Now the pieces where you see hanging, you're going to have 2 pieces hanging, one there and one on the other side. I'm going to slide this off the cardboard. Okay. And this is what we're going to have. See that? So got that off of there. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take and the piece where you have the glue, where you put the super glue, you're going to just bring that piece, bring it just like this. Actually, I need to squeeze this in a little bit more because this needs to fit through that hole. All right, so I squeeze it in a little bit more. And now I'm going to take it and pull it through just like this. All right, pulling it through. And that's what you're going to have, like that. And now I'm going to take this wire right here and stick this wire through, just like that. Okay. And then I'm going to take this off. Okay. All right. Now, I want to try to make sure that it is over as far, or in between, let's just say. We want to try to make sure that it is kind of sort of like even, like look like a little bow. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to this side here. Try to get through all of this. And actually, I need to, okay. So now I'm going back this way with it. Now I'm going to take and come here. I got both of my fingers in here. I'm going to take and come here. And I just want to take it all the way through, just like this. Just like that. And I'm going to take this out. All right, so I got it through successfully. Now I'm going to bring these two pieces down. These two pieces are going to be hanging down. You want those to hang down. And then what you want to do next is you want to take and squeeze these two, squeeze them in, or squeeze the two pieces in as tight as you can get them. Okay. So you want to try to squeeze it in. All right, squeeze it as tight as you can get it. All right. This is going to be hanging down like that. All right, now you're going to come here. And you're going to twist it, whoops, a few times, see? You gotta be careful doing this, because you want these two pieces to be nice and tight. You're gonna push it down, and then you're gonna bring these two across each other like this. And what you wanna do next is you wanna start twisting it, okay? So you're gonna start twisting it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. All right. So this is pretty much what it's going to look like. All right. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come here. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to snip these two off. Snip that off and snip that off. Okay. All right. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my round nose pliers. I'm going to come here and I'm going to bring one of these pieces up, and one of these pieces I'm just going to wrap around. So I'm going to wrap around just like this. One of these pieces, just wrap it around. Okay. Now I am going to snip this piece off. So I'm going to snip that off. And I'm going to come here and just squeeze everything in. And then I'm going to add on my first bead. So that's going to come right here. This is the spacer bead. Okay. This is what this looks like. All right. This is going to be the front. And then I'm going to take this one and just slide it down like that. Okay. And I'm going to pinch it over and take my pliers, come here, make a loop, and then just start wrapping it around just like that. Okay. This is our cutie, y'all. This is our cutie. So now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to come here. You're going to snip this off. And I'm going to try to squeeze that in. All right, and then the last thing you want to do for your cutie, and see she even sits up, you're going to take and put on your fish hook. You got to decide on which side you want to be in the front and which side you want it to be in the back. But this is it. This is our cuties. Okay. And I don't know what made me come up with this idea, to be honest with y'all. I really don't. I was just like, y'all know I'm always doing something. So today I just decided to just put these together. And these are our end results. And I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for watching. Please make sure you like, you comment, you share, you give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any social media platforms, please do me a favor and share this on your platforms for other people to see, or direct them over to my channel. So with that being said, happy crafting, everyone. And until my next upload, see ya.